Hello everyone, my name is Shivam Sharma and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of this amazing mouse which is coming from the SteelSeries Rival 3, and it is one of the best gaming mouse which comes in with 60 million clicks, and it has one of the true core optical sensor. So let's go ahead and unbox this mouse. So guys, we have just unboxed this amazing mouse which is coming from the SteelSeries Rival 3, and I would say this mouse is pretty good, and because it has a premium black matte finish, and the mouse lights are changing very frequently, and it has 6 programmable buttons which has 2 on the left side and all others on the front. And talking about the weight of this mouse, it's 77 grams and the length is 4.7 inches, and the cable which is coming up with the mouse, it's a 5.75 feet, which is around 2 meters. And yeah, it has a guaranteed durability of around 60 million clicks, guys. So it's one of the amazing gaming mouse out there. And talking about the compatibility of this mouse, it works with Windows, Mac, Chromebook, and Linux, and even Xbox. The only thing you require is USB port. And yeah, I would say it's one of the best gaming mouse out there. And before we do any testing, I would recommend you to check out this amazing website from where you can buy this. So I'm gonna put you the website link in the description where you can buy this gaming mouse. It costs you around 40 Canadian dollars, and yeah, and I'm gonna show you the how it looks like after being set up for my desktop. So give us a second. So as you can see, guys, this is how the lights is getting changed very frequently, and yeah, the end result is looking like this. And you can buy this for just $40 in the SteelSeries website. I'm gonna put you the link on the my description, so please make sure to subscribe my channel for more contents and more tech videos, and do not forget to like, comment and share. Thank you, guys.